You ever notice how silence hurts more than words? How the absence of your attention cuts deeper than anything you could say? That's not a trick. That's just human nature. And today, we're going to talk about it. But before we do, hit that subscribe button. Because this channel is about building men who don't need validation, men who understand their worth, and if that's you, you're in the right place. So she's ignoring you, maybe she left you on read, maybe she's playing games, maybe she's testing you, and you feel that pull, that urge to reach out, to explain yourself, to fix whatever you think you broke. Stop right there, because that urge, that's your ego talking, and your ego is not your friend in this situation. Let me tell you what's really happening. When a woman ignores you, she's making a choice. She's choosing to withdraw her attention, and most men respond by chasing harder. They double text. They ask what's wrong. They try to win her back. But here's the truth. The moment you chase, you lose. Not because chasing is weak, but because it reveals something. It reveals that you need her more than she needs you. And need is not attractive. Need is not masculine. Need is not power. So what do you do instead? You do nothing. And I don't mean nothing in a passive way. I mean nothing in a powerful way. You remove your attention completely. You stop checking her stories. You stop liking her posts. You stop existing in her digital world. Because here's what most men don't understand. Attention is currency, and you've been giving it away for free. When she ignored you, she devalued your attention. She assumed it would always be there, that you'd always come running back. But when you withdraw it entirely, when you go completely silent, that's when her mind starts working. She starts wondering, where did he go? Why isn't he reaching out? Did I lose him? And that wondering, that's the beginning of regret. But let me be clear about something. This is not about revenge. This is not about hurting her. This is about respecting yourself. Because a man who chases someone who ignores him is a man who doesn't value his own time, his own energy, his own peace. And without those things, you have nothing. Think about it like this. If you had a friend who constantly ignored your calls, would you keep calling? If you had a business partner who disrespected your time, would you keep showing up? No, you'd walk away. You'd find better people. You'd invest your energy somewhere it's valued. So why is it different with women? Because you're attached to the outcome. You're attached to her validation. You're attached to the idea of her. And that attachment is killing your power. Let me tell you what power actually looks like. Power is indifference, not fake indifference, not pretending you don't care while secretly obsessing, real indifference. The kind that comes from knowing your worth, the kind that comes from having options, the kind that comes from building a life so fulfilling that one person's absence doesn't shake your foundation. And here's the beautiful part. When you genuinely stop caring, she feels it. Women are intuitive. They can sense when a man is faking it. They can sense when he's playing games, but they can also sense when he's truly moved on, when he's genuinely focused on himself. And that's when the dynamic shifts, because now she's no longer in control. Now you've taken your power back, not by force, not by manipulation, but by choosing yourself. And that choice changes everything. See, most men think the goal is to get her back, to make her regret ignoring you, to make her chase. But that's still outcome dependent. That's still putting her on a pedestal. The real goal is to become a man who doesn't need anyone to complete him. A man who is whole on his own. A man who walks away from disrespect without hesitation. Because that's the man women actually want. Not the guy who begs. Not the guy who chases. Not the guy who tolerates being ignored. But the guy who knows his value and acts accordingly. Now let's talk about what happens next. Because there are two possible outcomes here. Outcome one, she reaches out, she apologizes, she explains, she tries to get your attention back, and in that moment, you have a choice. Do you take her back? Do you give her another chance? That depends. Did she ignore you because she was genuinely busy? Or was she playing games? Was she testing your reaction? Was she trying to see if you'd chase? Because if it's the latter, walking away is still the right move. A woman who tests you like that will keep testing you. She'll keep pushing boundaries. She'll keep seeing how much disrespect you'll tolerate. And if you accept it once, you're teaching her that it's okay. But if she genuinely made a mistake and she's willing to acknowledge it, that's different. That's growth. That's accountability. And those are things worth considering. But here's the key. Even if you give her another chance, the frame has to change. She has to understand that your attention is not guaranteed, that you're a man with options, that you're choosing to invest in her, not because you need her, but because she earned it. That's the only foundation worth building on. Now let's talk about outcome 2. She doesn't reach out, she stays silent, she moves on, and this is where most men crumble because they take it personally. They think it means something about them, that they weren't good enough, that they failed somehow. But that's a lie. Her choosing to stay silent says nothing about your worth. It says everything about hers. It says she wasn't mature enough to communicate. It says she wasn't invested enough to try. It says she didn't see your value. And if she didn't see your value, she didn't deserve your time. Simple as that. So you move forward. You focus on yourself. You build your life. You become better. And eventually, you meet someone who actually appreciates you. Someone who doesn't play games. Someone who matches your energy. Because that's what you deserve. Not someone who ignores you. Not someone who makes you question yourself. But someone who shows up, someone who's clear, someone who values what you bring. And here's the thing, when you stop chasing, you create space for that person to enter your life. Because you're no longer wasting energy on someone who doesn't deserve it. You're no longer stuck in a cycle of seeking validation from the wrong source. You're free. And freedom is the most attractive thing a man can have. So let's go deeper. Why does ignoring you even work on her? Why does withdrawing your attention have such a strong effect? Because it disrupts her sense of control. Most women are used to having options. They're used to men pursuing them. They're used to being the prize. And when you flip that script, it creates confusion. It creates doubt. It makes her question her own value, not in a cruel way, but in a necessary way. Because she needs to understand that you're not just another guy. You're not someone who will tolerate being treated as an option. You're a man who knows his worth. And that's rare. That's valuable. That's what separates you from the 99 other guys who would have chased. But again, this only works if it's real. If you're doing this as a tactic, she'll see through it. If you're pretending to be unbothered while secretly hoping she comes back, it won't land. You have to genuinely be okay with walking away. You have to genuinely be focused on your own path. And that requires work. It requires building a life you love, a life that doesn't revolve around any one person, a life filled with purpose, passion, and growth. Because when you have that, you're not threatened by someone's silence. You're not shaken by someone's absence. You're grounded, you're solid, you're unmovable, and that energy is magnetic. Now let's address the uncomfortable truth. Some of you are reading this because you want revenge. You want to hurt her the way she hurt you. You want her to feel what you felt. I get it. But that's not the path. That's ego. That's pain. That's weakness, disguised as strength. Real strength is letting go without bitterness. Real strength is walking away with your dignity intact. Real strength is choosing peace over proving a point. Because at the end of the day, the goal is not to crush her ego. The goal is to protect yours, to build yourself into a man who doesn't need to play games, a man who commands respect naturally, a man who walks through life with quiet confidence. That's the man who wins. Not because he destroyed someone, but because he refused to be destroyed. So here's what you do starting today. You stop reaching out. You stop checking on her. You stop waiting for her to come around. You focus on your mission, your purpose, your growth. You hit the gym. You build your career. You spend time with people who value you. You invest in hobbies that fulfill you. You become so focused on your own path that her absence becomes irrelevant. And if she comes back, you evaluate from a place of strength, not from a place of need, not from a place of scarcity, but from a place of abundance, because you've built a life worth living. And she's either going to add to it or she's not. Either way, you're good. That's power. That's freedom. That's masculinity in its truest form, not domination, not control, but self-respect, self-worth, self-mastery. And when you embody that, everything changes. Women notice, opportunities appear, life gets better because you're no longer operating from lack. You're operating from fullness, and fullness attracts. Desperation repels. So stop chasing. Stop seeking validation from someone who doesn't see you. Stop giving your power away. Take it back. Own it. Use it to build something great. And if she's meant to be part of that, she'll show up. She'll prove herself. She'll earn her place. And if she doesn't, someone better will, because you're a man of value. And men of value don't beg. They don't chase. They don't tolerate disrespect. They set the standard. They walk away when necessary. And they never look back. That's the path. That's the way. And that's how you win. Not by crushing her ego, but by building yours. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button. This channel is dedicated to men who choose themselves, men who refuse to settle, men who understand that their peace is priceless. Welcome to the journey.